Good day everyone! Another day for Hungry Kiddo. This time we are going to cook a simple breakfast dish with a twist. Before we start, the list of ingredients are in the description box. Let's go ahead and start. First, let's prepare our pan and put the oil. Now we are going to saute onion and garlic. After 30 seconds, we can add the carrots. Once the carrots are soft, we can now add the luncheon meat. And let's wait for about 3 minutes for it to be cooked. Once the luncheon meat is cooked, we can now add the green bell pepper. And then, we are going to add pepper, and salt to taste. After a few minutes, I added the scrambled egg, and continue to stir until the egg is cooked. And that's it! It's very simple. I hope you are going to enjoy this dish. See you next time. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.